bison are the only animals on Earth that turn toward a snowstorm rather than run from it. They instinctively understand that charging into the storm will eventually lead them out more quickly. While it may be challenging to navigate through the snow, they recognize that enduring this temporary discomfort is the most efficient path to finding shelter and safety. There's a great lesson to be learned from the bison. We all have storms in our lives, and facing them may be challenging, but ultimately, it's the quickest way to overcome them. So be like the bison and charge head-on into your snowstorms. To make sure you don't miss out on more motivational stories like this, make sure you're following Greater You.